Good afternoon students, I welcome you all in my GK class. Today we are going to discuss about who am I, and I'll show you a picture in this video and you have to guess about the picture. So you have to identify. I'm going to show you a picture over here. So you have to tell me the name of these leaves. It's a basil, it's a plant of basil. Basil also called great basil. It's a tender plant, it's very delicate plant and is used in cuisines worldwide. It's used not only in India, it's used worldwide. Basil is very important herbs. It also used for curing cough and cold. Okay, moving to the next slide. I'll show you a picture again here and you have to guess which plant it is, and this one is coriander leaves or coriander plant, right? So what do we call coriander leaves in Hindi? We call it dhania. Okay, that is called hari dhania. I'm showing you here. Aromatic green leaves that are largely used to flavor and garnish food. It is very aromatic. It has a beautiful fragrant, and it's largely used to flavor and garnish food. Whenever we just want to garnish our food, we just cut it down and we just garnish it. Dried seeds, and we also used coriander dried seeds, and we make powder of it, and it's widely used in the kitchen. It's widely used in the Indian cuisine. Now you have to again identify which plant it is. This is the plant of mint. So I'm going to discuss about mint. Mint is a type of herb with a refreshing flavor. It has refreshing flavor qualities. It can be used dried or fresh. It can be used dried as well as fresh. They have a sweet flavor, and it gives a cool refreshment after the taste, and it has a strong sharp scent. In India, it is used to make mint chutney. We are using mint chutney in our food also, and mint tea also. Mint leaves are the oldest and the most popular herb grown all over the world. Even if we are making lemonade also, we just adding mint leaves there. Now I'll show you a picture here again, and you have to wish which leaves are they, and it is a banana plant, so obviously these are the leaves of banana. So I'm going to discuss more about the banana. The banana leaf is the leaf of a banana plant which may produce up to 40 leaves in a growing cycle. It's amazing, right? It can produce 40 leaves. The leaves have a wide range of application because they are large, they are flexible, they are waterproof, and they are decorative also. And because of these qualities, they are large, they are flexible, and they are waterproof also. They are used for cooking, they are used for wrapping, and they are used for food serving. If you will go to South India, then you will come to know that people are eating food on banana leaves. They are wrapping food, they are wrapping the things in the banana leaves also. And it is used for writing purpose also. When we do not have the papers, in ancient time people were using banana leaves for writing purpose also. Now I'll show you a picture here. Again, you have to guess which plant it is, and this one is the tree of neem, and these are the leaves of tree. Neem leaves used as a cure for various skin diseases. Neem leaves are very useful to us. They are used for curing various kinds of skin diseases, and its fruits and seeds are the source of neem oil. We also get the oil, that is neem oil, and it's very useful for us. Neem is a fast growing tree that can reach a height of 15-20 meters tall. They are very tall trees, and it's it's a evergreen. But whenever drought occur in any part of the country, in any part of the city, then it may shed nearly all its leaves, and it's also used for making medicines. Is it clear to everyone? Now I'll show you exercise here from your book, and we will discuss on that. this Noe wants to keep a garden. You know, Noe is very interesting and he just want to maintain her garden, maintain his garden. Help him identify different leaves that are useful, and you have to just tell him which kind of leaves, which kind of plants are useful for his garden and which kinds of plants are not useful of his garden. Let's talk about this. You have to take the help of the clues and pictures given below. Some people worship me. You have to tell me, you know, this plant, this leaves are very, very holy to us. They are used whenever we have to worship it, right? And we use it to treat cough and cold. Even nowadays, during COVID-19, we are making kadha. We are also using this leaves in that also, because it helps in curing coughing and cold, right? So I'm a stock of basil leaves. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Basil leaves. The next one is am used for garnishing dishes and making chutney. We had already discussed that it is very useful in making garnishing. It is very useful in making chutney. It's good to also our health, and it's also a help to garnish the different or various kinds of foods also. Now you have to tell which which stock of leaf it is. So it is a coriander leaves, right? Coriander leaves is used for garnishing purpose. It is used for making dishes also. It is used for making chutney also. The next one is I'm a herb with a distinctive smell. You know, it's a very strong smell. My leaves are used to add flavor to food. Whenever we just want to add flavor, we are using these leaves. I give a distinct additional flavor to drinks like lemonade. When we are making lemonade, we are using this. We have already discussed this. So you have to tell me which leaves are they. They are mint leaves, right? The next one is we had already discussed, that is banana leaves. I'm a large and waterproof. You know, these leaves are very, very large and they are waterproof also. They are flexible also, right? And it can be used for cooking, wrapping and serving food. In olden days, I was even used as a writing sheet. I'm a banana leaf. Okay, so the next one is I'm used as a cure for various skin diseases. If the people are suffering from the various skin diseases, then they are using these leaves, and it's also help in keeping pests and mosquitoes away. I'm a stock of this one as the stock of neem leaves. Okay, so now we are talking about the assignment also. You have to find out more leaves. You have to just explore more leaves near you. You have to just explore more leaves in your nature, and you have to find out its uses, and you have to write its uses and about that leaves in your copy, in your GK copy, and you can also draw pictures there. You can make it more attractive, and you have to send it on my number today. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, so like it. Thank you.